Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by fully charging your JBL headphones for at least 2 hours before pairing. Power them on by holding the power button for 3 seconds until the LED lights. Put the headphones into pairing mode if a Bluetooth signal does not appear. Check your phone or computer and enable Bluetooth in settings to discover devices. Select the device name that matches the JBL model shown on the headphones. Confirm pairing by accepting prompts and listening for a confirmation tone or voice. If pairing fails, restart both the headphones and your device and try again. Clear old Bluetooth pairings on your phone to free the device list and avoid conflicts. Move closer to the device and remove obstructions to improve the Bluetooth signal. Update the device software and the headphone firmware when updates are available to fix bugs. Reset the headphones to factory settings if problems persist after all other steps. Contact JBL support with your model number if you still cannot complete pairing successfully. Once paired, set the headphone volume on both the device and the headphones to match. Use the multi-point feature if supported to connect 2 devices simultaneously, following manual instructions. To preserve battery, disable Bluetooth on the device or power down the headphones when idle. Maintain firmware updates and clean the contact points to ensure reliable charging every month. Store the headphones in a case and avoid temperatures below 0 Celsius or above 45 Celsius. Unpair devices you no longer use to keep the headphone pairing list concise and current.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.